Welcome back to our channel. The least squares method is the standard approach for the placement of line of best fit among the data points being studied. It is the standard approach in regression analysis. In this video, let us solve least square problem for both linear and non-linear equations using Python's matplotlib. For that, first import numpy, which provides the routines needed for solving the least square regression problems. Create the artificial data for x between 0 and 1. Let us take 10 samples which will be equidistant from 0 to 1. As we can see, the 10 samples are equidistant between 0 and 1 because we are using linspace provided by numpy. Y being a linear function of x is ax plus b. Take b equal to 1 and add the noise to x by calling random values within 10 here. And on printing the value of y, we can see y is definitely greater than 1 because here 1 is added, b is equal to 1. We will plot the value of x and y. For that, import matplotlib, x being the independent variable and y is the dependent variable which is function of x, that is ax plus b, here b being 1. And this plot shall be indicated by 0 whose size will be 5. As always, x label will be the independent variable and y label will be the dependent variable, that is y equal to f of x, and call the routine show to display the plot for us, which is plotted between the independent variable x and dependent variable y. We can see the 10 samples are plotted. Let us increase the number of samples for x to 100. As there are more samples, now it is easy to have the line of best fit plotted. NumPy has implemented least square methods that we can just call to get the solution. For that, we have to take the value of independent variable x as the slack of matrix in vertical axis and then take the transpose of this matrix. So M has the value of x in the matrix form and y shall be taken as the column matrix. For that, call new axis provided by NP, which will convert the row to column or column to row matrices. The solution to the linear square problem is from the routine least square, which is part of the linear algebra in NumPy, and it takes the matrix form of x and y. Alpha has the value for both a and b. Let us print the value of alpha. We have not yet plotted the line, best fitment line, but we can see a is 1.49, which is approximated to 1.5, and b is 1.011. As we know already, we have taken value of b is equal to 1. Here 1.011886664 is due to introduction of noise to our y function. Let us plot this line of best fit by calling plot routine in matplotlib and pass x, the independent variable, and y, which is function of x. Here y equal to ax plus b. A is the value of alpha 0 and b is value of alpha 1. As we know, a equal to 1.5 approximately and b equal to 1. We can see the plotted graph, which the line of best fit is a linear line as expected. With this visual indication, for any value of x, that is any value of independent variable x, we can get the value of y, which is the dependent value on x. Now we will see how to get least square for a nonlinear function like y equal to b exponential a power of x. Again, let us create artificial data for x between 0 to 10. Let me take 100 samples by calling linspace so that it will be equidistant between 0 and 10. Y being a function of b e to the power of ax with b being 0.1 and a equal to 0.3, to which we will add some noise. So 0.1 times of random value generated, which will be less than the length of x, that is 100. So y is b times the exponential of a of x with b equal to 0.1 and a equal to 0.3. We have plotted our function of f of x against the independent variable x. Clearly, y equal to b of exponential ax is a nonlinear function. To find least square, let us take advantage of logarithm. On taking logarithm, it becomes a linear function where a equal to exponential of x. And before calling our least square routine provided by NumPy, let us convert the x to the matrix aligned in the vertical axis and take transpose of it. Alpha will hold the solution of least square. Here we need the solution for a and b because y is a function of a and b. Actually, here we are getting the least square solution for log y. So we are passing log y instead of y here. And as we know, b is the exponential of and we will print the value of 0 and b. We have taken the value of b is 0.3 and a is 0.1 and b is 0.3. Clearly we can see they are close to our values. The difference is due to the noise introduced. Now let us plot the line of best fit between the independent variable x and y, which is nothing but b times the exponential of a of x, and indicate that in the red color in our plot. The line of best fit for the nonlinear function is also plotted by taking advantage of logarithm and calling the built-in routine in NumPy. Please subscribe to our channel.